Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Red Dead Redemption in Android. Alright, so let's begin. I'll also show you how the game looks from the inside and whether it's worth playing or not. First, let's talk about the free trick. Free trick number 1 is that you can simply ask your friend for their Netflix ID and password. You just need a regular account that has a Netflix subscription, but if you don't even have that, then you can many Telegram channels that are offering this game for free, so just get it from there. For those whose phones are not supporting the game, you must have a good Android phone. As far as I know right now, it requires Android 12 plus a newer processor and RAM. You can assume at least 8GB RAM is needed. The total game size is around 6GB. When you download it, about 3GB comes from the Play Store and the remaining 3GB downloads as internal files. The game is exactly the same as the PC version of Rdr1. No changes at all, just the device is different. The gameplay experience is really good. I played it for over half an hour and didn't notice any lag, and that's it. This is how you can play Red Dead Redemption in Android. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.